supposed to be bright daylight. It is dark. Yeah, you can see the clouds are moving. I'm trying to stand still so you can see the clouds moving quick. That's yeah, the roof is blowing around. I heard it in my office. Oh, a bug just hit the screen. I didn't realize when I got that thunderstorm warning, it was like right on top of me. And that was like 10 minutes ago. Look at that cloud. Might be hard to see a little bit, but yeah, those clouds are moving. It's windy. Can you hear it against the microphone?